Hi, my name is Dolce with two eyes. I get anxious when I'm high. Oh, I didn't know it was recording. Oh well. Hi everyone, this is Nora and welcome back to my channel. Today I am feeling yellow and I was feeling blue, so I put them together and I created this look. I obviously have blue contact lenses just to go with the look, and I am totally obsessed with this one. It's super easy, very fun to create, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Before I go ahead and start off this tutorial, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. I love to have you guys on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a primer. I'm actually using a concealer, and this is the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer, and I'm going to pop this concealer all over the eyelid area. I think I am getting a sty, that's how you call it, on the eyelid, because I do have a pimple right here, and I thought it was a pimple. I tried to pop it and it's a bad idea. So I guess my eye is gonna get swollen by tomorrow. So if you guys know how to get rid of a sty on the eye, let me know in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it. And if I don't film a tutorial next week, then you know why. I really hope, pray to God today, that this is not a sty and that it's going to heal fast. I did Google, I'm just gonna blend the concealer out. I just Googled how to get rid of a sty, and most of them said a black tea bag, which guess what I'm doing after this tutorial. I'm gonna be putting that on my eye. It does hurt when I touch it, so when I'm touching it with my brush right now, it does hurt. So I'm guessing it's a sty on my eye. I don't know how I got that, but I really hope that it does not get swollen and my eye gets completely shut, because that's going to suck. So I'm going to be taking a yellow shade, and this is from the Jeffery Star Jawbreaker. Any yellow shade that you have in your collection, grab it and use it. I'm going to be taking this one, and this is called Wow, which is this yellow right here. I am not sure, maybe it's me, but I find all the yellows from Jeffery Star, even the one from the Thirsty palette, if you have that one, they are all patchy and streaky on me. I don't know about you, but that's how I feel they are on me. Even not using the P. Louise primer, I just felt like it was patchy. Even I used it with this concealer, I still found it a little bit patchy on this eye. I'm just gonna go with the flow and do what I can. Before I go ahead and start off, yes, I have a blue contact on, and this is from Jesscara, and this is Aurora Blue. I did do a full review here on my channel on Jesscara's contact lenses. If you guys haven't watched it, check it out on my channel. So let me go ahead and grab this yellow, and I'm just grabbing it with a eyelid brush at first, and I'm going to be packing this yellow literally all over, all the way up, blending it up. I will be using a blending brush after, so if you see me alternate between this brush and the other one, just know that I am just using a different brush to apply the yellow everywhere. So I did want to start a series here on my channel, and the series that I wanted to start was the Powerpuff Girls. I don't know if you guys know them. If you guys don't know them, then I am very old. But I used to watch the Powerpuff Girls on Cartoon Networks when I was younger, and it was definitely one of the cartoons that my brother and I were totally obsessed with, and I want to do the Powerpuff Girls series here on my channel. The looks are going to be a little bit more different. The looks that I'm planning to do is actually inspired by some Pinterest looks that I actually saved. So if you guys want me to do that series and kind of, you know, have fun with it, create something pink, blue, and green here on my channel, let me know. I mean, I'm so excited about this series, but I just want to know if you guys would be interested to see something like that here on my channel. I don't know, I just feel like the Powerpuff Girls. I'm having like Powerpuff Girls fantasy. I thought before I go ahead and start off the series, might as well ask you guys if you would like to see it here on my channel. Let me know. I do have a lot of creative looks that I want to create for the series, and I just want to create them and have fun. So let me know. That's what I wanted to do today, but I'm like, I just kind of feel like yellow and blue today, and I guess I'll just ask them if they want to see the series, and if so, then I'll do it. So let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys think, and I will definitely do it for you guys because I'm so excited and I really want to do it, but I want to know what you guys think. I'm going to be taking the same yellow, and this is a different brush. It's just like a little lid brush, and I'm going to dust that yellow all over the lower lash line and smoking it out. You can also add that white concealer on the lower lash line if you want. I didn't do that, but you know, as you guys can see, it's still quite nice and pigmented without the white concealer or the white primer. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a shimmery blue, and I'm gonna grab it from the Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette, and this one is called Mama Tutorials. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that on the tear duct area and blend it a little bit with the yellow. I'm just gonna wet my brush just a tiny bit, and I'm just going to pop in the inner corners, start blending it out a tiny bit. And I'm also going to be taking my fingers a little bit with Mama Tutorials, and I'm just going to I packed a little bit too much. I'm just going to blend it out, burst it out. That's how I call it. When you blend something out, you just want to burst it. So I'm just going to burst it out. I don't know if that's even a makeup word. I think I just made one. And that is it for the eyeshadows. It's very easy, very simple. 2 colors, and there you have it. Now what's the fun part is actually the liner, and I got these from Colourpop, but I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed. I just find them a bit on the drier side, other than the NYX ones that I have that just glides on super nicely. They still work, but I do find them on the drier side. And this is the pack that I got. They have a lot of colors, and one of them that I received, which is this one right here, was completely, it's dried out. I can't even use it. It's so dried out. So are they worth the money? I would say no. These I know for sure that they're going to be drying out so fast on me. It's just kind of like a waste of money. Try to find some other company that does better ones, but you know, I'm not really a fan of them. I mean, I do love how pigmented they are, but the quality of it, not my fave. But I'm just gonna grab the blue one. This one here is called Prance, P-R-A-N-C-E, and I'm going to create my liner. So I'm gonna create my wing liner, and then I'm gonna create this line and joining it and just kind of like filling it in. And hopefully I get to do it the same thing as the other eye. Pray to God and hope that this is going to turn out the same thing as the other eye. So I start off always from the outer corners, following my natural waterline, taking the color all the way up, out and up. You see what I mean? Like when I mean that they're dry, they're just like dry. I'm not a fan of them, but I'm gonna try my best to make it work. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Now I'm gonna start off with the upper liner. I'm gonna start in the middle here, light hand, and bring it all the way down. Alright, so now the blue liner is done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the white on the waterline. If you have a yellow pencil, feel free to grab it. It will still do the same thing. I just find gel liners tend to stay much better on the waterline, especially for like a long term, meaning if you're wearing it for the full day, then gel liners, they do stay on much better. And I'm going to pack this on the waterline. I'm also taking the blue again with a more of a flatter brush. I'm just gonna pack it on there, and I'm going to color the lower lashes. I'm just gonna remove the yellow that I have on them, and I'm just gonna go roughly through the lower lashes. And that's why I love gel liners a lot, because you can also put them on your lashes and kind of change the color of them, which is really fun. And also, if you are wearing colored contact lenses like I am, I would definitely recommend that you do the gel liners before putting the contact lenses, because they do, if you get them in the eye, they stick on the contact lenses and it's kind of hard to clean them after. Okay, so before I go ahead and apply the lashes, I'm gonna be applying like a shimmery base. I don't know if these actually exist still, but this is from Urban Decay, and this is the Liquid Moon Dust, and this is in shade Shim Trial. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of that with my finger. I just dabbed a little bit in the back of my hand here, just taking my middle finger for this one. And I am going to pack that all over the yellow just to give it a little bit of a shimmery sheen kind of finish, like a sparkly look. I don't know if you guys could see that difference right there, but I do love this so much. It just gives a really nice finished shimmery look. Before I go ahead and again apply the lashes, I'm just going to take a little bit of more of that yellow and pack it on the lower lash line just to kind of bring it out a little bit more. I'm also going to take that yellow again, and I'm just going to pack it right on top of the shimmeries. This is going to help bring out the yellow a little bit more. I'm also going to apply a yellow rhinestone on the tear duct, and I have this thing right here that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to grab the yellow. I'm gonna add a little drop of lash glue on the tear duct, little dot, and I'm gonna pick the yellow rhinestone with my tweezer, curl my lashes. I'm gonna apply a thin coat of mascara. I'm using the Real from Benefit Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite mascaras ever. You guys have seen me use this a lot of times here on my channel, and I absolutely love it. And for lashings, I'm actually adding up this here. This is from MFMA, and this is the Pro Light, but I have two pairs on there, so I stacked two lashes together. And the MFMA's website is going to be in the info box. And you also have a discount code of 10% off, and it's LBBYND with your purchase on anything on the website. I did a full review again on MFMA here on my channel. If you guys haven't watched it, check it out. I featured their lashes and also some tools as well. Make sure you check it out on my channel if you haven't. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on, and I'll be right back to finish the face with you guys. Alrighty, just to go ahead and save some time, I went ahead and I already contoured, and I used my always Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. This stuff is the bomb. I love it so much. I hit pan on it, which is the color that I use all the time. The shades that I use on my face are going to be in the info box down below for you guys. Same thing as everything else on my face. Everything is down there. Check it out if you are interested in any of the products that I used in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and apply a blush. I'm feeling a peachy blush, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my favorite ever. It's from the Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Blush Volume 2. And if you guys are wondering, this is called the Saharan palette, and I'm gonna be taking Tau, the shade right here, and I am going to take it. This is very pigmented, so be careful when you're using this blush if you have it. And I'm going to apply that on the cheekbone, blending it with the contour. and I kind of lift it upwards as well because I just love the finish that it gives when I bring it upwards. I just love how it lifts up my face. And I'm also putting it on my nose. Blush it up, why don't you? Blush it up. I'm gonna add a little bit here too. Setting my face with my setting spray, Milk Hydro Grip. For highlight, I'm going to be grabbing my Jeffery Star highlighter. This is the Skin Frost in Eclipse. This is actually was a collaboration with Manny MUA. And I am just going to take this. Look how beautiful it is. I think it will look really nice with this look. So I'm just going to grab it and pop it on my cheeks. Look at that. Look at that. When you start with highlighting, it's so hard to stop. You literally want to apply highlight all over your face. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I bought the pink one that you guys already saw me use here on my channel, but I've never tried the nude peach one, and I think will look really nice with this look. So let's go ahead and pop it. This is the Shine Loud, and this went viral on TikTok. And this shade, I don't know what it is. It's really hard to find the shade name on this one. I mean, it's not written anywhere, but if I find it, I will leave it in the info box down below. I can give you the code of it though. It's SLHP02. Actually, I'm gonna line my lips first. I have a color that's quite similar. This is called Boldly Bare from MAC, and I'm going to outline my lips with this liner. Okay, so my lips are lined up. Let's go ahead and pop the Shine Loud lipstick. Ooh, this is pretty. Love this color. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this color. While it's drying, I'm gonna go ahead fix up my hair, and I'll be back to add the gloss and also finish up this tutorial with you guys. Now this is dried on my lips. It's really dried on there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add the gloss that it comes with. Ooh, salsa teeth. Definitely love it with the gloss. It's super nice, and once the gloss is on, like, it feels really good on the lips. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I had a lot of fun creating this look with you guys, and I really hope you guys give it a try. It's really fun, really easy, except if you have a little bit more difficulties with the liner. Don't worry about it. Practice makes perfect, believe it or not. Just practice your liquid liners or your gel liners or even your pencil liners, and trust me, you will get it. That's what I did. I sucked at liquid liners before. I sucked on creating like a nice winged liner, and with time I achieved it. So yeah, this is the look. I just really like it. It's very summery, and it's very fresh, and it's very cute, and it's very artsy at the same time, and it's definitely the kind of makeup that I love to do on daily basis or here with you guys on YouTube. If you have any questions or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below, and I will try my best to answer you guys. Also, if you like this video or if you liked watching me, please throw me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching. I want to wish you all a wonderful day. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.